Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will present some interesting facts about koalas. Get ready to learn surprising things about these animals and impress your friends with these fun facts. The koala is a marsupial related to kangaroos and is the only representative of the Phascolarctidae family. Its diet consists mainly of eucalyptus leaves. They eat about 1 kilogram of leaves a day, which is a lot considering they usually weigh between 5 and 14 kilograms. They can measure between 60 and 85 centimeters in length. These animals sleep a lot, up to 18 hours a day. But if they spend so much time in the trees, how do they drink water? Koalas get water from the leaves they eat, by licking tree trunks, and they also come down from the trees to drink water. Like most marsupials, koalas also have pouches, where newborns develop. Did you know that koalas give birth to one baby at a time? They carry the baby in the pouch for about 6 months. They reproduce once a year. A fun fact is that the baby is born blind and without ears. It uses its sense of touch and smell to crawl from the birth canal to its mother's pouch. And what does the koala eat during this time? A type of pap produced in the mother's intestines. This pap not only nourishes the baby but also provides it with the bacterial flora needed to digest eucalyptus leaves. Between 7 months and 1 year, the young koalas feed on pap and eucalyptus leaves. After this period, they are ready to eat without the pap. The difference between males and females is that males are much larger. Males also have a scent gland on their chest to mark territory, while females have a pouch to carry their young. Their opposable thumbs help them stay securely on trees. They are nocturnal animals. A curious fact about the koala's intestines is that they are very long, helping to digest eucalyptus leaves and preventing the toxins from affecting them. The main causes of the decline in koala populations are poaching and habitat loss. Did you know that each koala needs about 100 trees? The bushfires in Australia had a major impact on the decline of koala populations since these animals don't have the ability to escape a fire. Reintroduction programs help restore the koala population. Koalas' fur can change depending on the region they live in. In southern Australia, koalas have longer and wavier fur to protect them from the cold. A fun fact is that these animals have the thickest fur of all marsupials. A wild koala usually lives around 10 years, while a koala in captivity can live up to 20 years. Did you know that koalas can also be albino? Albino fur is extremely rare. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite wild animal? Welcome. How far can a flying squirrel glide? Is it true that they can jump more than 50 meters? Discover this and other interesting facts in this video. Flying squirrels are small, nocturnal mammals with excellent night vision. They measure between 20 and 30 centimeters and weigh approximately 250 grams. These animals can be found in Europe, Asia, and North America. Their fur can have shades of brown, gray, or even reddish tones. Why can flying squirrels fly? They have an elastic skin membrane called a patagium, which connects their limbs to their body. This allows them to glide through the air. An interesting fact is that they use their tails to change direction while gliding and perform aerial maneuvers. They also have a highly developed sense of hearing and large eyes that help them navigate the air. They can accurately judge distances. The bones of these animals are hollow and lightweight, giving them a low body weight. Flying squirrels have highly developed shoulder muscles, which allow them to launch themselves powerfully into the air. Like other squirrels, they have very sharp incisors. Their teeth and claws help them access hard-to-reach food sources, such as cracks in tree bark. Their diet includes fruits, insects, nuts, hazelnuts, bird eggs, and seeds. Did you know that there are different types of flying squirrels? In fact, there are 44 species. The northern flying squirrel inhabits North America and has soft fur to withstand the cold. Southern flying squirrels are smaller and more social, they even share nests. They are found in the southeastern United States. Japanese dwarf flying squirrels, as their name suggests, are known for their small size. They primarily live in Japan's subalpine forests. Since they glide from tree to tree, they prefer forests with dense vegetation and plenty of trees. Their nests are made of leaves or built inside tree hollows. Another fascinating fact is that they are considered aerial animals because, in addition to gliding, they can also jump up to 80 meters. The maximum distance a flying squirrel can glide is 90 meters. The life expectancy of a flying squirrel is quite low, about 6 years in the wild and up to 15 years in captivity. Their main predators are birds of prey and snakes. The gestation period of flying squirrels is only 39 days. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, did you already know any of these facts? Welcome to our new video. Can a human outrun a bear? Which is the only bear that does not hibernate? Do bears eat more meat or plants? Discover these and other fascinating facts in this video. A curious fact about polar bears' fur is that they have a double layer. The shorter inner layer provides insulation against the cold, while the longer outer layer prevents water from reaching the shorter fur and the skin. The brown bear has a bite force of over 1,200 psi, 150 psi more than a tiger's bite. These animals are not only strong but also highly intelligent. In fact, they are among the most intelligent land mammals. A brown bear can run at speeds of up to 64 km per hour, 40 miles per hour, which is 19 km per hour faster than Usain Bolt at the 2009 World Athletics Championships in Berlin, where he reached a speed of 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. Have you ever wondered which bear species is the largest? The polar bear. This species can measure between 1.8 and 3 meters, 6 to 10 feet, in length and weigh up to 680 kilograms, 1,500 pounds. In total, there are 8 species of bears: brown bears, American black bears, polar bears, Andean bears, Asiatic black bears, pandas, sun bears, and sloth bears. Why do bears stand on their hind legs? They do this to get a better view or to catch a scent from their surroundings. The polar bear's main source of food comes from the sea, with its primary prey being the ringed seal, which provides the high-fat content necessary for survival in its habitat. Its stomach can store between 15% and 20% of its own body weight. The brown bear, on the other hand, has a diet that consists mostly of plants and fruits, despite being classified as a carnivore. It can also scavenge or hunt small mammals. A polar bear can swim at a steady speed of 9.6 kilometers per hour, 6 miles per hour. Did you know that this bear species is considered a marine animal? It is classified this way because it spends most of its life in the ocean. Polar bears bathe by swimming or rolling in the snow. Not only do they like to stay clean, but this behavior is also essential for maintaining the insulating properties of their fur. Do you know which bear species is the only large mammal that hibernates? The brown bear. But how does hibernation work? During this period, the bear lowers its body temperature, heart rate, and respiratory rate while consuming its stored fat reserves to sustain vital functions. A curious fact about bear hibernation is that it is facultative, meaning they hibernate only if food is scarce or temperatures drop significantly, except for the giant panda, which is the only bear that does not hibernate. The gestation period for female bears is quite long, lasting 12 months, and they usually give birth to 1 to 3 cubs. An adult panda can weigh up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. Since they have a carnivorous digestive system but a plant-based diet, they need to eat large amounts of food because they struggle to extract nutrients from cellulose. Interestingly, bamboo has a high protein content, making its nutritional profile closer to that of a meat-based diet than a grass-based one. Pandas typically live 14 to 20 years in the wild and up to 30 years in captivity. One interesting fact is that their opposable thumb is not a functional finger like ours, but rather an extension of a bone. This adaptation helps them grip and move around. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And tell me in the comments, which fact impressed you the most? Welcome to our new video. In this video,